My driveway in recycled asphalt just had it sealed today. Great company out of Midland. Frank and Gary's. It's about 7 o'clock, just after 7. It's dark, getting dark. And see, it goes right around the back on that side to the other side of the garage, up to the door over there, and all the way out to the trail here. I used a double drum 36-inch ride-on vibratory roller to compact 2 triaxle loads of asphalt millings, otherwise known as recycled asphalt. And I think it came out pretty good. It's not perfect. It's not like virgin asphalt. Goes over here. I have it so that it sort of goes up onto the flower bed boxes and leans this way. And then the water that comes onto the rock here will follow the channel down over here, which is just crushed granite, because this machine's going to live here. Leaks a little bit. She's a leaker. And a little bit of asphalt down here, because I hadn't done a top coat there of fine granite. It was coarse granite. Anyway, there she be. And then I don't know what we're gonna do here. Do something, spice it up a bit eventually. Anyway.